Hi Sambhrama.
Yeah, hi,
Yeah,
Varshini.
this is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I am going to take feedback video from you. And first of all, congratulations for the course completion in CMTI. Can you introduce yourself, your native and college?
So, my name is Sambhrama. I have done my graduation in the year of 2015 from Malnad College.
So, okay, Sambhrama, how did you know about our CMTI?
One of my friend has suggested me to the CMI Institute.
Okay, in CMTI, which course you have taken?
I have taken interior designing,
You have taken online or hybrid?
hybrid mode.
Hybrid. Okay, how was the class in the online classes, and how is the trainers towards your and what you have learned in the course?
Okay. When it comes to the course, I was in the IT sector, so I didn't have any idea about interior designing. So I had an interest after joining here, when it comes to construction, Natarajan sir, some basic things I didn't know. So it was helpful from the Natarajan sir sessions. And when it comes to designing phase, AutoCAD and SketchUp, Venkatesh sir has helped me in the designing phase. Then product knowledge, the catalyst sessions, all this from the Irshad sir. So I got to know about the material, all these color selections, all these things, and the factory knowledge, everything. So I have learned many things from the institute.
Yeah, that's nice. And how is the online coordinators and the other coordinators towards your?
Yeah, Vidya ma'am, she was coordinating nice only because so whenever we don't have sessions, she used to inform prior, and the sessions also whenever we have not attended some sessions, so she used to provide the recordings. And if I come to the these things webinars also, it is helpful. It was helpful for me to gain knowledge about the interior things.
Yeah, that's good, Sambrama. Like, what do you want to tell to your juniors and friends who wanna join CMTI?
Yeah, if you are fresher, then I would definitely suggest people to join CMTI. You can learn the designing phase, factory knowledge, and if you take like all these things, and if you want placement internship, it's very good opportunity to join CMTI. And then we can use we have a one more advantage like CMTI app. So whenever we have doubt, like apart from the sessions, you can go through the app and utilize the things.
Yeah, like you have used our CMTI app, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
how it was useful and how it's you are learning through the app.
yeah, that's what I've told you. In the app, you can learn like this cutlass sessions on this thing, designing phase, this mood boards, bill of material, bill of quantity, all these things like making of quotations. That will helpful. Apart from the sessions, it will be helpful for future. I would say.
Okay, that's nice, Sambrama. And congratulations for course completing in CMTI. Have a
Thank
bright future, Sambrama.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.